Here's my custom Lego construction vehicle collection. Start with the road grader in the back. We've got our little mini excavator that you'd use, maybe rent one for the day for a job site. We've got our skid loader, our vintage old tractor or bulldozer. If we just take the blade off, it works as a tractor. I've got my backhoe with our outriggers on the back, and my little blade bulldozer. I don't know, which one is your favorite? I know for sure mine's the backhoe. I think I like it the most, but each one's got its own special features.